Hey there, welcome to today's stretching video. This is going to focus just on the upper body. Some people say, oh, if I've only done an upper body workout, I don't want to stretch the whole thing. So that's why I'm doing this, all right? So a good stretch to do for the upper body is a chest stretch, obviously. And there's a couple ways to do that. One way is I like to grab a wall here. That's great if you have a corner wall, but if you don't, it still works. Put your arms at 90 degrees or a little higher, and then with that arm braced, just lean into it so you feel a nice stretch here. Now, it's not about the neck, it's about the chest right here. Okay. Sometimes you have to turn your body away a little bit too. If I turn my body away, I really feel it. Right. Good. And hold that stretch for a good 20 seconds, give or take, minimum 10 seconds, up to 2 minutes if you're really tight. Right. I like to shoot for about 20 seconds. Now I don't want to face my back to you, so I'm going to use this, which is a little bit of a bar here, to hook my arm into. Turn away and lean into it and feel a nice stretch here. And hold that stretch for a minimum of 10 seconds. 20 to 30 seconds is a good target, right? So depending on how much you feel it. But most people are pretty tight in the chest muscles, I find, because we do a lot of things where we're rolled over, bent over with computers and such, and relax. All right, now to stretch the upper back, there's a couple ways to do that as well, right? But one good way is to cross the arm over the body and hug from underneath and really pull it and feel that good stretch in the upper back and shoulders. Good. Oh, it feels good. Hold that stretch. Good. Nice. You don't want to be super sore, so if you don't stretch and you do a lot of exercising, you're going to be sore, right? Across the body, the other side, hug it from underneath. And you end up with tight, knotted muscles, which can lead to injury or just not functioning very well when they're knotted as well. Okay. And then you can use that foam roller video that I have for you guys too, if you remember. Ah, feels good. Excellent. And then let's do a tricep stretch. So arm straight up, pat yourself in the back, and then pull up. Feel a nice stretch down the arm. Good. Nice. I hardly ever feel the bicep stretch or the tricep stretch or the bicep too much. So I don't tend to hold them as long sometimes, but at least 10 seconds. Good. The other side, pat yourself on the back. Pull up. Good. Feel that stretch down the arm. Nice work today. Hopefully you're feeling good. It's really important to stretch after working out. It really is. I know it's a pain. It takes a few extra minutes. Oh, good. Excellent. Now let's stretch the biceps a little bit. So one way to do it is to extend both arms in front of you. And if you have a chair, put your palms on those chairs and get your arm nice and straight. And you can do both at the same time this way. Save a couple of seconds here, right? Nice. Good. Nice straight arm stretches those bicep muscles. Good. Now my favorite stretch is the neck stretch. All right. So you drop your ear towards your shoulder, pull a little bit on there. You can either extend that arm or put it behind you, depending what you need to do to get a little bit deeper into the stretch. Right. This is one of my favorites. Ah, feels good. Nice. Good work today. And then same side here, you want to just turn your nose towards your armpit and get a little bit of the side of the neck, levator scapula. Ah, feels good. Hold that stretch. A lot of people tell me this is their favorite. Good. Breathe and relax. All right, other side. So drop your other ear to the shoulder. Pull a little bit with your arm. Other arm extends out or goes behind you if you can for a little deeper stretch. Get that nice stretch. Oh, that feels good. We carry a lot of weight on our neck and shoulders, don't we? So we're relaxing it right now. Good. And same side here, we're going to kind of put our nose toward our armpit and pull a little bit on the neck there, on the head rather, from the top hand. Feel that nice stretch down the side of your neck, a bit of scapula. That feels good. Nice. There you go. Feels good. Release that tension. Breathe. There you go. See, only about 5 minutes to stretch the upper body pretty good after your workout so that you get all those major muscles and take care of yourself. Remember to try and stand up straight and tall with your chest out, shoulders back and down. It changes the way you feel too because you start feeling stronger and prouder. So please practice that. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.